Go for it.
Okay, so here is our Go Kart. The first thing I'll start off with is the batteries here. Each of these are 12-volt batteries. They are wired in series, so they give us 24 volts in motor. Luckily, this motor is actually a 36-volt motor, but it can work at lower voltages. So that also helps with our control. So if you guys want to come back here, I can show you our control panel. So right here is our motor drive, and Nick, if you want to spin it up. As you can see, based on how much the throttle is pushed, it will give a percentage, which then tells the motor how fast it wants it to spin. We didn't mention this, but this is a Click PLC. Mr. Jackson has them available if you want to learn on them. But they are ladder logic, very simple to learn. You just got to use the user interface. Pretty much what that does is just controls the lights here. So it's about 5 rungs of actual logic. So it just controls the lights, for instance. Keys off, nothing comes on. Keys on, if everything else is cool, like the e-stop's pressed, it'll say like you got power, so you're green to go. Also turn this meter on, which shows you your amps and voltage. So for instance, if I press this e-stop and I push this, that will give us a fault. And then if I pop it up, it doesn't go back to green. So you have to press this reset button. That's one of the things we want to incorporate with safety, since this is with all these high amps and it being a mobile vehicle, there is some danger in that. If you have any other questions, let me know.
How fast?
6 miles per hour. Without a driver, around 8.
So a lot of the weight factors into everything.
Right.
Like our batteries weigh about 120 to 140 pounds
Together.
in total together, and then our motor's somewhere around 70 to 80 pounds, what we were kind of thinking. So that doesn't help with our speed, but